Good morning, dear students. I am Miss Vandana Pai. From today onwards, I will be conducting lectures on an interesting subject, impression management. Today, we will just have an overview of the syllabus which we will be studying in this semester 1. The subject impression management is a new subject, and in this impression management or the syllabus of this impression management subject, it is grouped into 4 units. Let's have the units at a glance. Let's see what are the units or what are the titles of these units. Unit number 1 is titled as Introduction to Impression Management. Unit number 2 is titled as Personality. Unit number 3 is titled as Soft Skills and Interpersonal Skills and Time Management. And unit number 4 is titled as Communication Skills. So overall, here we will be focusing on different skills which are required into an individual. Let's see the unit number 1 and what are the contents which are included in unit number 1. The unit number 1 is titled as Introduction to Impression Management. In this unit, we will be first studying the meaning and definition of impression management, means what impression management means and what are the definitions given by different thinkers we will be studying here. With that, we will introduce the term impression management, or why this subject is introduced to you, it will be discussed here. Then the motives and strategies of impression management, means what are the objects, what are the strategies which can be included in impression management, that will be studied here. Then the techniques of impression management, means what are the various techniques of impression management, means what you are required to do. Yes, what we will be studying in this techniques is self-descriptions, association, opinion, conformity, excuses, apologies, acclaiming, flattery and favors. Okay, means what are the different techniques in which you can do impression management, okay, or what you are required to do whenever you will be giving self descriptions, opinions, conformity, excuses, apologies. Okay, all these things we will be studying here. So in your unit number 1, just we will introduce the impression management. Then let's see what is unit number 2. Yes, unit number 2 is titled as Personality. Okay, quite an interesting unit in which we will be studying the contents, especially concept and definition of personality. Okay, when we will be studying the concept of personality, first of all we will introduce what is personality, then we will go through what is the meaning of personality, then we will discuss the definition of personality. Okay, means why personality is required, or how your personality should be as an individual, as a professional, is it, how your personality should be, or as a student also how your personality should be, or why your personality contributes or what it contributes. Okay, these all things we will discuss here in the concept of personality. Then the characteristics of personality. Characteristics of personality, what are the different features of personality, or what your personality should be including. This will be studied in detail at that time. Then the factors influencing personality, means what are the factors which govern your personality or which can affect or which can stimulate your personality, and what are the factors or what are the things which you should keep in mind so that your personality will be a good personality. Then the types of personality, okay, in which you will be studying internal and external personality. Means here what are the qualities which are included in you, which can be intrinsic, which can be external, that is extrinsic. All these things we will study here in detail. So overall, whenever we take a careful look at unit number 2, yes, it focuses on personality or personality attributes, or how your personality should be. It is described here very well. Unit number 3 focuses on soft skills and interpersonal skills and time management. Okay, quite a descriptive topic or unit, in which the first part is soft skills and interpersonal skills, in which we will first have introduction to soft skills and hard skills. Okay, we will introduce it, what are soft skills and what are the different hard skills. Then we will study the importance of soft skills, means why a person should learn soft skill, its significance or its importance, or what are the different benefits of having soft skill into your personality, or if you possess certain soft skill, how it benefits you, how it is beneficial for you in the long run in life, whenever you will be a part of any organization as an employee. Okay, these all things we will study here in detail. Then the difference between soft skills and hard skills. Okay, we will try to distinguish these two terminologies, that is soft skills and hard skills. Okay, through different points we will find the difference, or we will discuss the difference between soft skills and hard skills. Then the types of soft skills and hard skills. Okay, what are the different types or different classifications of soft skills and hard skills. Okay, especially in regards to motivation, assertive and decision making, leadership and team building, argumentation skill. Okay, all these skills we will discuss in detail at that time. Then the time management. Yes, time management is a very important terminology. Okay, unless until you know how to manage the time or schedule your responsibility, schedule your work, or do any activity in time. Yes, because nowadays in this 21st century, okay, as it is said that time is money and all. Okay, we would study what time management is. First of all, we will discuss the concept and importance of time management. Whenever we will be discussing the concept of time management, first we will introduce what is time management, then we will go through the meaning of time management, then we will see the definition of time management. With this, we will also go through the importance of time management, means why time management is important or what is the significance of time management. Then we will discuss the different techniques of time management, means what technique should be used whenever we are doing time management, or to have effectiveness into the time management, what we can do, what are different techniques which are adopted by a personnel. So unit number 3, if we take a careful look at the contents of unit number 3 readily, we will learn the soft skills and interpersonal skills, and also the time management, which is all important to be or whenever you will be a professional, whenever we think that we should be a professional, at the time these 3 things, they are very important for us. Then your unit number 4 is titled as communication skills. Let's see what are the contents which are included in unit number 4, that is communication skill. First is concept and definition. Okay, whenever we will discuss the concept of communication skills, first we will introduce what is communication skill, then we will go through the meaning of communication skill. With that, we will highlight some of the features of communication skills, and also we will discuss the definitions given by different thinkers. Okay, through this it will be helpful for us to know what is communication skill. Then we will go through the process of communication. Okay, what is the procedure or process, or what are the steps which are included in communication. For effective communication, what process or procedure should be adopted, we will be saying here. Then the types of communication, okay, in which we will focus on oral and written communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, and formal and informal communication. Okay, we will go through this. Then the digital communication, okay, in this 21st century, how we can do the digital communication effectively, we will study here. Then we will go through the techniques of effective speech. Okay, if we want to effectively deliver the speech, then what are the techniques which we should keep in mind. Okay, especially when we are doing face-to-face conversation, or whenever we are doing teleconferencing, or we are demonstrating something, or whenever we are in a meeting. Okay, in these 4 ways, in these 4 different phases, how we can effectively deliver the speech. This we will discuss in detail whenever we will be seeing this unit. So overall, all the 4 units, they focus on different aspects and how we can build our good impression in the public, how we can build a good impression in the organization, how we can build our good impression overall in the society. So impression management, this subject itself is introduced to create or to develop your personality, to have a strong personality traits, to have strong personality attributes. So thank you.